HFX works. And basically, guys, you know, what we do and how it works. It's very simple. You know, what we do is it is simple, you know, but it's also difficult at the same exact time. And the reason why it's difficult is because it is so simple. It's crazy. It's like a double-edged sword. It's so easy, but it's difficult because it's going to test your discipline. It's going to test your consistency. So you're going to see a lot of money fast, but it also can go by fast. So I'm going to teach you guys some things. I'm going to teach you some proper risk management. I'm going to teach you how to control the emotions. I'm going to show you real quick. Let's just jump over to the platform that I'm going to use. And basically the account that I started, like I said, 2 weeks ago. I started this with $1,000 about, like I said, 2 weeks ago. Now it's up to $1,482. So I'm about $482 in the profit, which is about a 48% growth in 2 weeks, which is crazy. And I know the number doesn't look that big, but guys, when you start to kind of think in a term of percent growth, it's a lot. And that's the first thing I want you guys to start to concentrate on. I don't want you to concentrate on the number itself. I want you guys to understand how to compound and trade conservatively. Because at the end of the day, if you concentrate on the number, you're always going to think that you're not going fast enough. You're going to get greedy. I got greedy. I've blown probably 15 accounts, guys, in the last 3 years because I got greedy and I wasn't growing fast enough. And I mean, to be completely transparent, on night one, when I started this account, guys, on the very first night, I could have blown it because after my session, I was not far enough that I was not happy enough. So I ended up taking 35 trades that night because I was just so stubborn, and I was like, I gotta be ahead for the week. I gotta get going. And at one point, guys, this very account was down to like $600 during that first night. Now, obviously, I was able to make that back, and then by being together on that Wednesday night session, I was able to be ahead. But that was just me being competitive, and that was me just being undisciplined. So if that's happened to you guys, I want you to understand something. You're human. It's normal. You know, do not think because maybe you're not growing at the speed that you want to be growing at, that you're doing something wrong. At the end of the day, guys, you're a human. It's going to happen. You're going to have to learn. I'm glad I did it on night one because I was like, you know what? Now I don't have to worry about doing that anymore. Now I can move forward and continue with this because I just realized how hard it is actually in the beginning to really get the account off the ground. So just know, guys, that if you do that, you are normal and it's going to happen. It's a part of the journey. So guys, this is the platform right here. What we do is we actually predict where price is going for different currency pairs in a certain amount of time. So there's two options. There's either price is going to go up or price is going to go down. And that's it. The way we trade, guys, it doesn't matter how far, it doesn't matter the distance that it goes. Really, all that matters, guys, is that we know where it's going and how far, or not how far, but in how long. So we are time-based traders. For me, guys, my magic number is 3 minutes. So whenever I'm taking trades or whenever I'm doing trades, they're always 3 minutes long. So if you look over here on the right-hand side, guys, you guys can see a time clock. Now, you can do anything from 1 to 30 minutes, but the way Cash Trap and the way that I've been able to be successful is 3 minutes. So I'm going to go over Cash Trap. I'm going to go over how it works. It's located on the Hourglass app. So if you go into your back office, you go into your shopping cart, you add on Hourglass, guys. It's $20, and you can have that for the entire month. And I highly suggest trading it on Mondays and Tuesdays when I'm not live. So then you can kind of collect some of your percentages before hopping back on my sessions on Wednesday. But if you're going to use it, guys, write this down. I take 3 minute trades. So 3 minute trades is the magic number that I use. It just seems to work the best, guys. In the past, I used to do 2 minutes. I've tried 1 minute. I've tried 5 minutes. I've tried 7 minutes. I really have tried everything. It just seems to be that 3 minutes is the magic number for trade setup. So I always have 3 minutes selected there. Over here on the left-hand side, guys, there's a bunch of different options that we can select. So It's pretty simple, guys. If I see an opportunity on a specific pair, I will let you know which pair that is. So normally my top pairs that I like to trade is USD, JPY. So that is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Now, when you're looking at USD, JPY, guys, what we're looking at is we are looking at one US dollar.
Hey guys, welcome.
Equaling a certain amount of Japanese yen. Now, the one never changes. It's always one. So the first currency in each pair is always going to be one. And that's never going to change. The second number is what changes. So right now, if we look at USD, $1 equals this amount of Japanese yen at this given time right now. Now, if that number goes up, that means that the US dollar is gaining strength. You can write this down, guys. It just means that the dollar is stronger, or it's getting stronger, or the one is just getting stronger. That's what I think about. And it's going to help you guys go a lot farther by literally just understanding that little piece right there. The fact that one US dollar equals a certain amount of yen. And if that number, if this number right here, guys, is going in this direction, that just means that this first pair right here is gaining strength, or it is stronger than the Japanese yen. Now, if this number is going down, if this number is going in this direction, well, that means that the dollar is losing strength, or that one is getting weaker, because now it's taking less of the second currency to obtain that dollar. So guys, just understanding that little piece right there is going to help you
live or the training
so much farther.
This is a live.
live
Let's take some trades.
Just understand that there, guys. And then here in this amount section, you guys are in control of how much you want to risk per opportunity. So what we suggest and what I suggest, now you can do whatever you want, but what I do, guys, I don't risk anything more than 3% a trade. Now, with Hourglass, with Cash Trap, what's really cool about this is there's a calculator. You can actually put in your account size, and you can select the percent, and it'll tell you exactly what the risk amount is that you can risk per trade. So this brand new account is at $1,482. 3% of that account, guys, is $44.46. So that just means in this little amount section right here, guys, the most that I can risk is $44.
Welcome, Ryan.
Now, like I said, you can decide to risk whatever you want, but I'm not a magician. I'm not a genie. In Forex, in trading, you're not going to win every single trade that you take. There will be losses. There will be trades that don't go the way you want them to go. So what you want to make sure that you do is that you do not get the idea that, hey, this is going to be a winning trade 100% of the time. I'm going to risk 50% of my account. I've done it. I've fallen guilty to this. I've gotten greedy, like I said, and it always doesn't work out. And even if it does work out, a couple of weeks later, you're going to end up burning your account because you're going to, have it work, and then all of a sudden it's not going to work, and you're going to end up still putting your account up there, and then that's a losing trade, and then you're trying to catch that back up. So, guys, just stay away from that. So, what I would suggest is 3%. Now, what we shoot for on every single session, guys, is 2% growth. So, I just started this account with $1,000. If I can successfully grow an average of 2%. 5 days a week for the next year, that actually breaks down to about 260 sessions. So I do trade Tuesdays with my team, with my Team Ambition team. So I do have one extra session outside of Go Live. So that's why I was telling you guys to trade on either Tuesday or Monday. And I don't trade and use Hourglass, because here's what it looks like. $1,000 account can grow to $172,000 by just growing 2% a session on average. Now, our goal is 8%. If we grow 8%, we're done trading for the night. For me, guys, 8% is the magic number where if you grow 8%, you're done. If you lose 8%, you are also done. Here's the deal. You have to average 2% growth per session. Now, let's just break down where I'm at, how long I've been trading over the last 2 weeks, and how many sessions that actually is. So I'm actually to $1,482 right now, guys. So realistically, if I go to the compounding here, I should be about 20 sessions in to the process here. Now, if we look at when I started, let's go back to go live here. Let's look at when day one was. It was 4/11. So 4/11. Let's pull out the calendar here. So 4/11 was right here. That's when I started. We're right here. So I'm legitimately only 2 weeks into this. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sessions. So I should be only 10 sessions in right now. I should only have $1,218 in my account if I only grew 2%. But since I'm over that, I'm at day 20. So is this always going to be like that? No, but I'm ahead of the game. So even though this doesn't look like massive growth in the number, percent-wise, guys, it is going light years. And if you can just understand that also right there, guys, you will stop being frustrated. You won't be frustrated anymore with how fast your account's growing. Because ask yourself a question. Would you be okay with turning a $1,000 account to $172,000 1 year from now? Of course you would say yes. Of course you'd be like, yes, that would be absolutely amazing. But then why is it when you're 2 weeks in and you're only up $100, you think you're horrible? You think you're done. You think you can't do this. Or let's say you're even down $50 or you're down $100. Guess what, guys? It is the process. It's the journey. See, I've struggled. Everyone else that's traded has struggled. And it's okay. It's a part of the process. So guys, that's the roadmap. That is what I want you to follow. Yes, on day one, it's $20. Where I'm at right now on day 20, $30 on this session, I'm ahead of the game. See, for me, guys, I just want to win every single day. My goal is to win every single day. And a win is like growing just anything. If I can grow 1%, that's a win. If I can grow 0.5%, that's a win. If I can grow 2%, that is like a home run. If I grow 8%, guys, that's like hitting the lottery. That's like, yo, this is like, I'm a week ahead of the game now. I'm a full week ahead of the game if I grow 8%. Because that's 2% 4 days of the week. So for me, if I grow 8%, guys, I'm like, yo, I'm out. I'm good. Because I already know that I'm so far ahead of the game. So that right there, guys, can go so far for you. So in this amount section, let's just take a look at it. Let's say we're going to take a trade on, I don't know, let's say my second favorite pair, Euro USD, and I want to risk less than 3%. Let's say I only do $35. Well, the profit on a $35 trade, guys, is $25.55. Well, if I go back to day 20, I need to make $29. So risking less than 3% of my account, really all I gotta do is risk one trade. Let's see, let's bump this up to $38 or $39. All right, $40. $40 would be my 2%. So I can still risk right now less than 3%, win one trade, and be ahead of the game. Now, I don't usually do that, guys. What I like to do is I like to risk less because I understand that I might need to roll a trade over. That's how you can get to your 8%. You don't want to risk 3% really out the gate, because if you lose that trade right away, then you're kind of starting, further back. For me, I risk less than 3%. If I have to roll it over, I roll it over. And if I win those rollover trades, that's how I get to my 8%. Because I might take 2 trades tonight, or I might take 3, depending on how the market's moving. But let's say I take 2 trades and I roll both of them over. Well, that $30 turns into, let's say a 3% trade each. Well, that ends up helping me profit almost 6-8% if I take only 2 trades. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I can risk less than 3%. It gives me room for rollovers, and I'm not risking anything more than 3. So for you guys, that should be like an aha moment. that should be like, yo, okay, that makes sense. I can do that. So, that is, guys, the mindset. That is how you compound. You know, that's the platform, like I was saying. Now, one more thing, one more housekeeping thing before we jump into maybe looking at the market and looking for some trades. The way I call out trades as an educator, and the way Taylor Marks calls out trades as an educator, cash trap. What we do, guys, and when we're calling out trades, is we say the first letter of the first pair and the first letter in the second pair. So if I see an opportunity on Euro USD, well, you're going to hear me say EU. EU, I believe, is going to go up, and I think we should go in for a call. That's what opportunity. So what you would do is you would say, okay, I need to go over to Euro USD. I need to go to EU. I might say Euro USD. I might say EU. Most of the time, I'm probably going to say EU. So EU, that's what that means. Euro USD. I'll give you an example of all of these. USD JPY, UJ, USD CNH, I would probably say USD CAD because I don't trade CNH or CHF or any of those other pairs. Really, all I trade, guys, is USD JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, and that's really about it. Those three pairs right there, guys. So EJ, UJ, EU. Those are my top three favorite pairs that I particularly trade on a night-to-night basis. Now, those are the pairs. So cash trap, how does it work? Well, cash trap, guys, it's on the hourglass.im website. You log in with your username and password. It's the first strategy that pops up. It's cash trap. The way it works is basically there's an algorithm that I sat down with the developers for over 4 months, and I told them, hey, this is how I trade. This is what I look for. You know, this is how I read the market. And then basically, guys, they came up with the template that you guys see plus the arrows. So the arrows and the integration of the currency strength meter is what cash trap is. So the template that you guys see, guys, that's how I used to trade. There was never any arrows. All it really was the template. Now the template you can get anywhere. You don't even need cash trap to have a template. But I'm telling you guys, you'll never be able to get the arrows plus the current strength meter this dialed in like they have here with IM Mastery Academy. So if you want to add it in, guys, you guys can. I'm seeing a good opportunity here on EJ. So this is a great opportunity, guys, for you guys to be able to see a live trade. So right now, EJ is right around 468. 468 on EJ right now. So Euro JPY in 1 minute here, guys. Let's look for an opportunity. So there's a little countdown timer right here.
EJ.
It says 50 seconds.
Check it out.
So for me, guys, what I like to do here is I like to wait. I like to just give it a little second, give a second to breathe, see what happens here. Let's wait until we have about maybe 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. And since we see this up arrow here, guys, red means it went down. So if you see a red box, that means price has been moving down. If you see a blue box, it means price has been moving up. Now, a box, guys, just represents how far the market has moved in 5 minutes. Now, when you're using cash trap, guys, each box represents 5 total minutes. So when I'm trading, guys, like I said, I'm always looking for 3-minute trades. For me personally right now, guys, EJ is at a good spot for a call. So if we get another up arrow, which we just did, we just got another up arrow here on EJ. EJ up arrow. So let's go ahead, guys, and let's take that for a 3-minute call. It's loaded up here on my other screen.
I got in, guys, at 456.
456. So
yep.
Again,
but I got a 457. Oh wait.
3 numbers in the currency pair. So the last 3 numbers in the currency
And if you guys notice on cash trap, it was oversold. So it should be a good one.
For everyone that cannot really hear me right now, I also tried to do my best at typing these in the chat. So this
here, I'll put it in the chat.
It pops up. You guys will see the pair, you will see the time, you guys will see the entry. So I'm in.
Crap.
We got the up arrow here on Euro JPY. So really, guys, this is just an arrow trade. This is not anything outside that. It's just an arrow trade. So right now we are taking an up arrow on Euro JPY. So this part right here is not showing. If I need to buy myself more time, guys, that's located down here in the bottom right-hand corner. What that does is basically it gives you whatever time you had selected in the very beginning all over again. So for me, if I need to, I will. I'll wait here. You have until there's 45 seconds left to your trade until you have to roll it over. So I got in here, guys, at 130,456. Price has moved down just a slight little bit, and I have about a minute left. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buy myself 3 more minutes. I just rolled it over one time. We still have this up arrow. We are coming down to 11:30. So what might happen here, guys, is at 11:30, what's going to happen here in about 2 minutes and 42 seconds, we'll probably get this thing to reverse. That's what I see. That's how I read the market. This was really just an arrow trade, guys. This was not, you know, a full-blown point system trade. I'll show you guys the point system. This is turning into a point system trade. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to be able to teach you guys this. But I wanted to quickly just take an arrow trade to see if we could clear one quick. I rolled the trade over one time. So my expiration is down here, guys, 31:05. So I took the trade at 25:18. It's universal time. So it was 25 after and 18 seconds is when I executed the trade. I rolled it one time, so that 3-minute trade has now turned into a 6-minute trade.
What? Oh my God.
I end at 31, so that's 6 minutes. The graph is
I don't know why my IQCENT is not loading.
Yeah, like I did it twice by mistake, and I was like, how? Because I thought it didn't. It cleared one, but the other one didn't clear.
All trying to execute.
Mine's just kind of frozen for some reason.
Yeah.
So I was entered at 456. Price is at 434. There is a minute and 21 seconds left to the current candlestick right now. So this may need that second rollover. So I have a rule where I will only roll a trade over if I have to, a max of 2 times. So what that does for me, guys, that turns a 3-minute trade into a 12-minute trade. And that's kind of the magic number. It's either going to take 3 minutes or it's going to take 12 minutes. And that's it. It doesn't usually ever take more than that. You know, it just kind of stays in that time frame. That's
Did it clear for you?
how I make the market.
It's not really loading.
Yeah, it cleared, and then it just,
But I always like to.
I don't know what happened, and then now it's just,
No, actually, I'm still in the trade.
Roll over a second time, guys. It's a little bit frustrating just because obviously the chart's not really, you know, working right now. But you guys can see down here my expiration time is at 37:05 right now. So 37:05 is where it's at. Let's jump into also an EU trade, guys, right here at 109. So this will be another great opportunity, guys, for us to be able to see a live opportunity. So EU is giving out that up arrow. We're going to teach right after we place the trade. So can I enter here?
Man, mine's like freezing like crazy.
yeah.
Here,
Error.
I'm gonna jump on binary, son. There might be a lot of people on IQCENT.
Working right now.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't know. Yep, I got kicked out.
Hopefully some of you guys were able to
Mhm.
enter EU because this is a very, very, very good trade. And this is the one I'm going to teach the point system on. I just got one.
There's too many people jumping in. Too many people making money.
Did you clear the trade that he suggested?
It kicked me out. I don't know.
Okay. Oh,
I'll
because I saw, I'm like, did I, I touched it 2 times, but then it said I won, but then it said I lost. And I'm like, so did I won or did I lost?
So I expired at 37 after, guys, on EJ. So I still have about 6 minutes. So I have this entire candlestick here, plus the next one. EU, I tried to enter. So let's just go ahead and let's talk about why I wanted to enter here on EU. I was not able to take it, I don't believe. I'm gonna take a screenshot here though, just so I can show you guys why I wanted to take that.
And even binary sound's not connected. What the heck? What kind of horse crap is this? Oh, there we go.
So here goes EJ finally. Let's also talk about why. There it goes. We're in profit now. You guys took EJ. Everyone should be in profit right now. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of both of those, just so you guys can see why we took those trades.
How do you do a screenshot?
There's a button on your keyboard.
Oh,
I should say
Everybody, please send me guys
PRTSCN
very email.
print screen.
Ridiculous.
oh, thank you.
You trade. I haven't been able to look at it.
Doesn't seem like I cleared that one.
Let me pull up these screenshots here real quick. EJ is now moving into profit, guys.
I think he rolled over twice. That's why. I don't know if mine rolled over.
All right, so here's that EJ
it
trade.
did.
It is in profit right here, as you guys can see. I got in at 456, price is at 461. Trade expires at 3705, which is in about 4 minutes. It is in profit, so that is a good trade setup. Let's talk about though why I took that trade, why we entered. So as you guys can see here, when you look at Cash Trap, you get the arrow. You get some green lines, you get some red lines, you get a red line here, and then you have 3 separate confirmations below here. You guys see an S, you see a V, you see a black line, you see a red line here, green line here. Basically, guys, the way that this all works together is each thing that you see on this screen is worth 1 point. So it's either 1 point towards that up arrow, or it's 1 point towards that red down arrow. Whether, whatever it is that you're looking at. Wow, EJ is deep in profits. If you guys are on a platform that was able to take EJ, please let me know. Type some dollar signs in the chat, guys. We are deep in profit. So like I said, it either takes you 3 minutes or it takes you 12 minutes for price to go in our direction. We'll take a screenshot of that also. We are heavily deep in profits, guys. So that was an amazing setup. Now, Euro USD, on the other hand, also was a great setup. I really wanted to take that, guys. I did end up entering, but I was not able to roll that over. So I'm going to be contacting them and I'm going to say, hey, I want that trade back. It's not my fault. Your guys' platforms break. And I'm going to be sending them a really nasty email because it's not even cool. I mean, this is ridiculous that, we have to deal with this type of stuff. But EJ is deep in profits. It is deep, 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 deep in profits. So everyone that was able to take EJ, guys, should be clearing here very, very soon. So let's talk about why I saw that trade. This is going to be game changing for a lot of you guys. Now, if you guys remember, there was a green arrow right here. We saw price that came all the way down. And I said, okay, let's wait until the new candle opens up. And let's look to take this when that opens up. So we got this up arrow right here. When we saw this up arrow right here, guys, for me, I was able to calculate all the points before, talking about them and having to really look at it. So I saw 1 for the up arrow. If you get an up arrow, guys, that is worth 1 point. Green lines, so these green support lines that you guys see. When price comes to these green lines right here, you guys can see here, price came down, supported, and went back up. Price came down. That for me was a point. When you see price come to a support anywhere on the screen, so if you see it come here, you see it come here, you see it come here, anytime it's near these support lines, guys, support acts as the basement. So price will come down to the basement. It'll either respect it or it'll be a big basement and it'll fall through. But whenever you see it come to a basement, just understand that that's like, okay, price touched the basement, it's most likely going to come back up. It's like dropping a ball, hits the floor and bounces back up. Well, I saw the fact that we had this up arrow, so that was 1 point. It hit the basement, so that's 2 points. The third point for me, guys, in this given time was the fact that this red line here, which is called the EMA, was below currency. So the EMA, guys, is the average of the last 200 candles. Now, I do want to watch this clear, guys. Oh, it already cleared. It's just not, it's not reloading right now. So I cleared EJ, guys. If you guys cleared too, let me know. I cleared EJ by a mile, wasn't even close. I mean, look at this. We entered right here. So I'm gonna put a line where we entered. So we entered right there, guys. That's where we entered. Price moved up. So 5, 10, 12-ish minutes was how long it took. So right here is where it never went back below our entry. So everybody should have cleared that EJ trade. So hopefully everyone did. But again, 1 point for the arrow, 1 point for the basement, 1 point for this red line right here, guys. Like I said, that's called an EMA. So this is basically, guys, the average of the last 200 candles. So if that red line is below currency, it's kind of like it's signifying that this is in an uptrend. So when price is in an uptrend, you want to go with the market. If price is in a downtrend, you want to go with the market. So an uptrend, you would want an up arrow. If you're in a downtrend, you want a down arrow. So the fact that I saw this green arrow, I saw price coming towards the basement. I saw the fact that price was, above the EMA. I was like, okay, 1, 2, 3. And then when I was looking at the opportunity, guys, so right now at this given time, it was 34 to 41. But when I was looking at the opportunity, guys, it was 34 to 34. So what am I even talking about right now? I'm talking about this currency strength meter. Basically, it's at 34 and it's at 34. If it's 34 and 34, you have EMA below currency. So for you should be thinking this is perfect. Because if currency is the same, but it's the arrow is saying price is going to go up. Well, really, when price is the same, guys, you can go in for up or down arrows. But really, when the EMA is below, plus you're getting the up arrow, and price is right around the same exact strength, take that trade. So we took that trade because of that. So let's count the points up. 1 for the green arrow, 1 for the basement, 1 for the EMA. Now, also, guys, right here, this black line. So this is very important. Whenever you see this black line either cross down or cross up, that counts a point for that color. So red obviously means down arrow. Green means up arrow. So this right here is worth a point. The fact that the black line crossed up this green line, that is a point. This also crossed up that same green line. That is a point. So that's a 5-point trade. So write this down, guys. 3 points is a good trade. 4 points is an amazing trade. 5 or more is an amazing trade. And everything after that, guys, is just added confirmation. Now, I'm frustrated because I'm not able to take some more trade. I really wanted to take this Euro USD trade, guys. You guys remember here, I actually wanted to enter, I believe it was right here. So this is where I wanted to enter. That's where I entered. But the platforms, basically broke down. We were getting that up arrow here. It was green. Mark that green there. And obviously price, as you guys can see, moved up. So we have the up arrow. We have price here at the basement. We have price crossing up. Over here, we had the euro stronger than the dollar. So that's a point. So that's 4. And then this EMA was below. That's 5. So 1 for the arrow, 1 for the basement, 1 for the cross up. We did get a buy right here, so that wasn't showing quite yet. But we got the buy. That would have been a point. And then we also had currency strength. So again, that's a 4-point trade setup. Yes, I see your statement right here. Once your session is over, the platform will magically start working again. That's true, guys, because like I said, thousands and thousands and thousands of people hop off once I'm done. They're like, oh, okay, cool. Matt's off now. I'm off also, which sucks. But they got to upgrade their servers. I was on Vibe for a while. Obviously, I have my big account on Vibe, and then I have binary, and I have I have all of them. But I started this brand new account here with binary, and should be 2-0 on the night on Euro USD and EJ. So I'm a little bit frustrated with the fact that I wasn't able to take those trades. I took EJ, cleared it, deep in profits. I'm gonna send them a pretty nasty email and be like, you know what, this is just absolutely ridiculous, because the fact that I can't even trade with you guys, and obviously this thing's just going to continue to keep growing. There's going to be more and more people. So we just have to, we have to keep moving forward. So, yeah, I mean, that's really all I got. I wanted to take some more trades. We're past the time, of the trade opportunities. Now I probably want to take a trade, even if I could, for a while. But yeah, we took that EJ trade, guys. I'm trying to see where that screenshot is. So yeah, we took this EJ trade right here because of the up arrow, cross up, EMA support. Hopefully, guys, that helps. I want you guys to, understand that. And we got Wednesday, so I'm gonna send them an email and send them a couple messages. I'm like, yo, you gotta figure this out, because I can't even trade, on these sessions. It's just getting ridiculous. But some good news also. We're gonna bring on a couple more cash trap educators, guys, here very, very soon. And what that means for you guys is you're gonna have several, people that you can follow. That's going to, give you the opportunity to be able to trade with. I most likely will, teach more, teach you guys how to read the market more, and understanding how to use cash trap and hourglass, guys. Honestly, at the end of the day, that will help you guys, because you guys will be able to secure the bag all day long. I really wanted to trade the night. I've been off for a couple of days now. I really wanted to secure the bags. I would have secured the bag on Euro USD and EJ. I would have wanted to see a trade here on UJ. Oh yeah, I definitely would have caught that put right there. So this is a great example right here for this put. So let's just actually go over this real quick. I want to teach you guys this too. So the reason why this is a great put, just take a screenshot here, pull it up. All right, so down arrow. Remember what I told you. It's all color coded. So if you see red, you should know, okay, boom, down arrow, put. If you see green, boom, up arrow, call. So let's look here. We have 1 point for this red arrow. If you see a red line, bounce around different areas of these red lines. And I'm always basically looking for what's called a resistance, which where price, if you were to throw a ball up into the air and hit the ceiling, obviously it's going to come back down. So that's the same thing with price. If price comes up, touches the ceiling, touches the resistance, what's going to happen? It's going to come back down. So one for the red arrow, one for the red basically ceiling, one for this red line up here. Like I said, it's the average of the last 200 candles, boxes, whatever you guys want to call them. But basically, guys, it's letting you know that price is in this direction. It's moving down. So that's a point for the down arrow. So one for the arrow, one for the resistance, one for, you know, this significant, telling you guys it's going to go down. And then right here, like I've been telling you guys, if the bottom is stronger than the top, that's another point for that down arrow. So 43 to 17, obviously the Japanese yen is way stronger than the US dollar. So with all of those confirmations, boom, we would have taken that put. Red means it went down, so we would have taken the trade here, and boom, it would have went down. So those are the trades I would want you guys to take on your own. If you guys see 4 or 5 confirmation trade setups, you want to enter those trades. So that's how you guys can take either up or down arrows. So yeah, all the platforms broke. I'm gonna send them an email because I can't get you guys. It's literally pointless. We got Alex Morton here actually tonight. He was gonna actually come on here and
he can't do it anymore.
No, all the platforms broke. So we're teaching Alex how to trade.
What's up, everybody?
Alex Pipps.
Let's get it. What's the count?
So now it's at 10. We were all up to 30, but everything crashed and everyone's been kind of bleeding out. So.
Wow, super proud of all you guys. Sunday, learning, growing, getting better. Yes, sir. People are fired up. Let's go.
Type your profits in the chat, guys. If you guys cleared EJ, type your profits in the chat, guys. Real quick. If you guys cleared EJ, made some money, type some $signs, type your profits in the chat. Let's see it.
You guys are part of the greatest company on the planet, I Am Mastery Academy. Let's go. We're making money. I see some chairman meetings over here too. Let's go.
But all right, guys, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Everybody send these guys emails like, yo, get your shit fixed because this is ridiculous. And let's come back on Wednesday. Let's have some fun. Let's make some money this week. Love you guys. Peace out.
Well, oh shit. Okay, I'm still on. All right, guys, we're gonna start the team trading in about 10 minutes because it's 8:50. I want time for people to jump off of all of these different trading accounts to hopefully, won't mess up the bandwidth. So let's do like a 5 to 10 minute break. Is that cool with everybody? And then we'll jump on and we'll start taking trades. Cool.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
That's 1 out of 4. How about everybody else? Jason was on here too. I know. Right. So we'll jump on in a minute, okay? You know what? Let me play some music, huh? I don't know why I didn't think about the music. There we go.
Man, I just opened up that cash trap.
It's bust.
I be on that cash trap, you already know. I just took it up, yeah, you gotta go. I be on that cash trap, you already know. I just took that up, yeah, we gotta go. Demon bitch shit, yeah, we going up. Miracle investors, yeah, we going up. Yeah, yeah. Trade house, yeah, we going up. Money magnets, yeah, we going up. Different teams, but we got
But doesn't go.
if you really
With it though.
35 is all that
You need.
if we tryna run it up, yeah.
Shut up, Matty Pipps. That cash I really hit.
Shut up, Matty Pipps. That cash I really
Really hit, yeah.
Shut up, Matty Pipps.
Welcome, Hunter. Welcome, Alok. We're gonna get started in a few minutes. We're just waiting for all the brokers to come back up. So we're starting right at 9 p.m. So 9 minutes from now.
You already know, yeah, maybe getting rich. Maybe on the got strapped. You already know. I'm about to get it, yeah, we better go. Hold on, wait a second, you already know. Miracle investors, yeah, we get it though. Yeah, we about to run it up.
Run it up.
You already know, we about to run it up. Yeah, shout out any bits. That cash I
really hit.
You already know, we get really rich, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, never look down on no man unless you up a mom. You already know, yeah, man, run it up. Got them ready for ever cash trap. No more trading on a demo. Got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash trap. Confirmations cause I'm thorough. Cash trap. Got them red and green arrows. That's that cash trap. No more trading on a demo. I got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash trap. Confirmations cause I'm thorough. That's that cash trap. Cash trap 2.0. Once I start, then I can't stop. Call it good, then oh, then I wait for that price to drop. Compound till I got a lot. Started out with 3%. All I want is profit. Started trading on dead. Yes. Let's go. I'm trading on trading. The things signing up, then I'm fading. Oh, you fading? I had to get that 2.0 because one was too outdated. Made it. Multiple accounts, right? Which one I'm trading? Got them ready for arrow. Cash trap. No more trading on a demo. I got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash. Confirmations cause I'm thorough. Got them red and green arrows. No more trading on the demo. I got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash trap. That's that cash trap. Cash trap. I'm bouncing off the support. Of course, first currency is very strong, so I'm gon' clear for sure. Shout out Matty, Pipps from my young, that's my man. Selling the resistance, just using Bollinger fans. I'm like, man, how you doing? And it's man too. Bitch can't trade like me. Nope, do it all day like me. Nope, I know you ain't play like me. Unless you got that $1. Got them ready for arrow. No more trading on the demo. I got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash trap. Confirmations cause I'm thorough. Got them red and green arrows. I got cash trap. No more trading on the demo. I got cash trap. Bank account ever zero. I got cash trap. Confirmations cause I'm thorough. She tryna live with a demo. I was like, girl, what's your inner? She tryna see what I've been on since I upgraded, traded from demo. She must have classic shit. I want to know cause it was a classic. SRTs on currencies for practice. I can sleep on my pockets is massive with the fits. Like my chick named Gladys. You know I can't be moving average. Winning these trades like it's magic. It was taking my bank on the match. Pure trade, but I play it cool. We got different trades, different trading rules. Making money moves with the crew. Thinking about the next trade, we gon' get into it. Got them getting arrows. Cash trap. No more trade on the demo. Cash trap 2.0. Enough time to watch me roll. Watch me load that cash trap. And concentrate on my own. Yeah, that's that. Cash trap 2.0. 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 Enough time to watch me roll. Watch me load that cash trap. And concentrate. Cash trap 2.0, that's that it. Cash trap 2.0, that's that it. Cash trap 2.0, that's that it. Cash trap 2.0.
You think this a game? You think we don't trade?
You think we don't trade? You, so neither should you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can finally get some rest. Yeah, I did it for the game. Trade house diamonds on my neck. Yeah, 250 low,
50 in the way.
don't matter, trade a four, trying to make 750 in a day. Made my profits for the week. Now it's time to spread the word. All my packages are leak. Help you earn
While you learn.
Yeah, the market's going up. I'm just waiting on my return. My phone became an ATM, so my calls are due not disturb. Hop in the trade and I run it up. If it pull back, then I double up. My team know to play like a huddle up. Take the right vehicle, buckle up. You think this a game?
You think this a game? Trade? I like the song. I don't know if you guys can tell. So neither should you.
Just caught the perfect entry, my phone in the blue.
Yeah, yeah. Start in 3 minutes, so you guys know. So neither should you.
Just caught the perfect entry, my phone in the blue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It all back. You missing money, you ain't hopped on the call yet. Keep the team on my mind like a ball cap. Run it up, we gon' run it up on this week. Bank account get double stop, it's getting harder, but then we can come to us until they see us pulling up and level trying. We zooming, having off the beat pack.
We booming.
We fluid, understand they still
Doing.
just probably foolish.
You think this is a game? You think it's a trade? You get paid. So neither should you. Yeah, yeah. You think we're we don't trade? You get paid. So neither should you.
Just caught the perfect entry, my phone in the blue, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do. It's a pretty good list of music, huh, guys?
Yep.
Hey, I said my money
Hit different. I can make it bouncing in a minute. All right, 1 minute. Literally. With the business.
If you ain't trading, you tripping, you better get down. Different day, different fit, different plane, different trips, foreign exchange, catch your pips, do or die. You and I are not the same. 235 is all that.
All right, guys, welcome. Believe it or not, this is, let me stop sharing. This is the first official session that I'm hosting. So welcome Fernando, welcome Jesse, welcome Anissa, always AM. More than likely it's her AM in India. That's probably why. No, but her name is Anissa. Just kidding. But all right, let's go ahead and get started. It's funny because we actually had like a few other people on. I don't know why they jumped off, but I just put it back on Discord that we're live, so we might get people jumping on. Who knows? So let's share my screen. Are you guys still there? Put in the chat that you're live and you're kicking. I'm here. Okay. All right, you guys have your broker accounts up and going?
Did you clear from earlier?
You know, on the one that he did, he rolled over twice and I only rolled over once, so I didn't clear on that one. But I did my own trade looking at hourglass and I cleared that one. So just so you know, I can show you my account. So pretty much, by the way, when he was doing that one, I just went over here and I saw like a really good trade on this one, actually, USD CH. So now it's gone down dramatically, but that's why I took it. All right, let's go down the line. So just so you guys know, I do the same thing that, you know, he does, but I kind of look at more currencies than just the 3 that he normally does, because I think he's doing more education and he's waiting for the candlesticks on those. So I personally like, let me annotate real quick so you guys can see what I'm looking at while I'm doing it. Annotate, oh, there it is. Okay. So see, let me go pink so you guys can really see pink. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to look at is over here with the strength. And then I'm going to basically see if the line, the black line is here or here. If it's going up and this is going up, that's 2 trades, this one 3 trades. So if this line right here is going through this up, then with 3, 4, 5 point trades, I'll take it. If it's down, I take it. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at. I want you guys to know beforehand, so that way when you know why I'm taking them, you'll see why I'm taking them, right? So USD, JPY, see how it's right in the middle? So it can go either way. It can keep going up, keep going down. It's not being overbought or oversold. So this one's not a good trade yet. See, this one is going up, but it has a put right here, which is weird. So this is obviously not a good trade, especially because look at the strength. Euro 37 should be a call, and it's getting a put. So here JPY, it hit the bottom. It would be a good call, maybe in the next candlestick or 2 on that one. This one was good when it hit down there. Yeah, there's people joining. Welcome, Jennifer. All right, this one went, whoa. This one's really hitting a put. Look, this one's being, you know, really overbought. I'm sorry, oversold. So this one is actually going to be like a 4 or 5 point trade. It's going to be a great call in a minute. So let's see. As soon as this thing starts turning around, this is a great trade. Look, it's literally, if we go back in time, it's been a while since it's been, that's a really good call. So pull up EuroCAD on your guys' broker accounts. EuroCAD. Okay, I have it ready. Remember, don't do more than 1 to 3% of your account, preferably. So, but this one's actually a really, really good one. As soon as this thing starts turning around, look how far down it's going. It's being way oversold. Do you guys see that? Holy crap, look at that. This is going to be a really good one. This is all going to make us money, guys. EuroCAD, look, it's going in as a call now. You see that? So now we're looking at a 1.3, 3 point trade. So let's get in on a call. 792. It's already jumping up. Crap. I got in at an 801. Ooh. And at 792 like it says, but it's already gone up. So $792. Yeah, it's coming back up. I'm in profit, guys. Did you guys get in? Are you guys in? Anybody?
I'm in.
You're in? Or which, what did you get in? What entry point?
791.
Yeah, because right now it's 8:05. So you should be in profit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in profit. Is everybody else in profit right now?
Is anybody else having trouble with their pro? Well, I think it's only me that I can't. Let me log off again.
Yeah, it might be the broker. Yeah, they were all acting up earlier because Matty Pipps draws a big group. Obviously. All right. It's going a little up and down, but right on the line. Jeez. 800. It's kind of hovering down. 792. Dang. You know what? I should have probably rolled over on that one. Did anybody clear? Still getting people jump in. Anissa, you cleared? Jennifer? Put a money sign if you actually made money on that one.
I just got spiked out.
You got on a spike? Is that what it was? Look, this thing is let me open up another. I'm gonna open up my pocket option account. I can see a little bit easier. Okay. So and there's still people jumping on. Okay. EuroCAD, let's see, USD. Let's look for another trade setup. Oh, this one's actually pretty good. Look, it went through the bottom, so it got oversold and it's coming back up. So this one actually USD CAD. Let me look at USD CAD. USD CAD, here it is. Yep, this one should be a good one. So 501 call. Yeah, let's get on well, yeah, let's get on a call on this one. All right, I am in. Again, reason being that I took this trade is it went through this line and it's coming back up. Actually, normally when he takes it, it's going back through the line. But I already see that it's going back up, so that's why I took it. So call this one and this one, that's 3-point trade. See? And Matty Pipps says, you know, if it's 3 or more, it's a good trade. So there we go. And right now I'm in profit. So it's actually going in and out a little bit. It's going down a little bit. Let's see. By the way, with the broker with pocket option, I can't roll over. I forgot. Can you guys roll over on yours? Any? Guys, if you can, unmute yourself so that we can have more of a conversation. Because I want this to be a team trading session. But right now I'm in profit. Here, let me show you guys. Actually, oh, look at that. Oh, it's going up and down, but see the reason is because it was oversold and it's coming back up. See? So right now I'm in profit. Anybody else in this trade?
Yeah, I'm also in profit.
I'm in
Cool.
profit.
Cool.
Profit.
Yeah, now it's finally going up. Perfect. 76 bucks. Here. I think the team trading sessions, I'm going to start using pocket option because when I jump on, you can actually see what's going on with the candles a little better.
Mhm.
But you guys can use obviously any broker. So that one is looks, oh man, it's already 5 seconds still. Oh yeah, we're doing it for sure. Look at that.
I cleared
Oh,
it.
yeah, cleared.
Mhm.
Got it. Did you guys all clear? Jennifer? I don't know who Jennifer is, but hell, welcome. Fernando, how about you? Did you clear?
Yeah, I cleared it.
Weird, yeah.
Sweet. Making money. Yeah, look, it's going through the roof. It's good all the way to the middle now. All right, let's check out another. Look, this one was a good one a little bit ago. See that sharp turn? That one would have been great. Okay. See the big difference between me and Matty Pipps? I go through all of the currencies. You just kind of see what's going on with each one of them. He only does 3, so let's see. And again, I'm trying to find overbought or oversold, so that way it's see, this one's coming up. Oh no, just turned a little bit. See, it was almost there. If it had gone up here, it would have been a more amazing put. See? So that's why I kind of ignore it. This one's coming up too. This one's coming up. This one's coming up. Ooh, this one might be a good call. Look, this one is going through the bottom, and this one's really close and going up. And we're getting a call, so USD might be a good one.
USD.
JPY 79, huh?
USD JPY.
Yeah, USD JPY. Yeah, look, it's going through. Although right here at the stochastic. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add that, guys. Actually, I have it saved already.
Oh, it's going up now.
Okay. There we go. Looks actually different now. Yeah, I missed it, but it was actually, I think it was pretty good. Did anybody get into that one? Yeah, it looks like it's going up, even though it's going up put. See, that's why I like to go from the bottom, because it's like being over. So, okay. I'm gonna do it this way. Let me jump off of these. Okay. That might be a good one. Is that even on here? That's funny. It's not even in Hourglass. You know what? Let me take it off then, because if it's not an Hourglass, I want to make sure we're having 5-point trades. Let's see. Okay. No, that one doesn't look like a good one. Okay, EuroCAD. Nope, that one's in the middle of the stochastic. Middle. This one's getting close. Actually, this one's really close. I think in the next candlestick, it might be a good one. The next couple, maybe.
It might go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, GBP CAD. Let me see. GBP CAD. Oh yeah, look, this one's a good one. It went through all three. As soon as it starts turning, it's way up here. It's gonna be an amazing put. It's literally going 3, 4, 5-point trade. GBP CAD. Look, it's going through everything. It's really being overbought. So this will actually be the next good one. And we just need to wait a little bit until this starts turning a little bit more. It might go up a little bit more. So we're gonna wait on this for a second. Okay. See how it's turning down here? Here while we wait. Look, it's literally being overbought and we're waiting for it, right? Which is basically what it's doing. See? It'll do that and then we'll get on the put. See? If you would just take the put with cash trap, it would have been way off. And honestly, that doesn't even make sense because it's being over. Yeah, it was still going up. So that's why you kind of have to have all the point system a part of it. Okay. It looks like it's coming down slowly. So I think in the next candle should be pretty good. Yeah, it's way up here. Look at that. It's almost hitting the very top resistance. Yeah, look, it's starting to go down. Well, you guys can roll it. Yeah, it looks like it's going down. We're going in for a put. Again, it's way overbought. This one, it's I don't know. Yeah, in about a minute, it's probably gonna give that put. Watch. We'll see what cash trap says in a minute. Maybe I got in early, but we'll see. Well, I'm actually in profit already.
For GBP CAD, because it's like, oh, it's spiking.
That one is the pound, the British pound, and jeez, this thing keeps changing. Okay, we're getting a put, brand new put, and jeez, what the heck? Yeah, it's starting to go down. But see, look. I might have gotten in early, but it looks like it's going down. Or it'll start going down. There we go, I'm in profit again. Oh man. I wish I could roll over with pocket options. Maybe I'll take a second in my binary set. because it's still pretty good. Oh my God, look, it's going a little higher. It's being way overbought. So it might go up a little bit more. But this thing is, I mean, worst case, you roll it over, but it's going to drop. All right, what is it? GBP CAD, huh? GBP CAD. GBP CAD. CAD. Yeah, it's still going up a little bit. You guys do a rollover. I can't with pocket option. But if you could do a rollover, do a rollover.
All right, well, I'm logging off because I already did my, what is it? My percent, so I'm not gonna trade no more.
Because you made it.
Yeah, like this one I lost and I was like, no way. Yeah, no. I know my limits. And then the other two I won, so I was like, that's it.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
slowly but surely.
Yeah. And it was in the last minute. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
EuroCAD.
All right, thank you.
We're only gonna go 1 or 2 more trades, but yeah, this thing is going way past the. Wow. I'm actually gonna get in with binary cent on this one. Look at that. Let's see. I got in at 183. Dang, look at that. This thing's gonna drop big time. It's way up here. And look, it's being way overbought, way overbought, way overbought. $183 put is what I did, guys. And there's it's getting a little spiky. We'll see. Jeez. What the heck? This doesn't happen normally very often that it goes, look at that, way through
It's
even
going
that top
up.
red. Yeah, this thing is like abnormally going up. Crazy. I might have to jump on a spike too. Actually, I might do a rollover. Let me do a rollover. I need to wait. I'm gonna wait till this yellow line and do a rollover if I need to. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it just in case. Because it should be dropping. It's like way over. Yeah, it's going, should be going down. How many trades have we taken? Like 3 or 4 or something? Fernando?
Like 4.
4. Where are we at? Like 3 out of 4 or 2 out of 4? How are you doing, Fernando?
You did 2 and 1 right now.
2 and 1? It's not bad.
Yeah. It's so spiky right now.
Yeah. Well, right now I'm in profit. Hopefully it stays like that. How about you, Anissa? How are you doing? Anissa,
I'm at 179.
you're winning on this one?
Not yet. I've rolled over once.
It should be going down, so it's just kind of taking a while, but it's literally, look at the very top of here. So it should be going down, down. All indications is down, so this is a 4-point trade. It's just going really slowly. British pound and the Canadian dollar, huh? Oh shoot. Yeah, it's kind of spiky. It's weird. Well, but I went back into profit, so it's a good thing I did that rollover. Did you guys roll it over, by the way? There we go. Now it's starting to go down. Did you guys get a chance to roll over? Anissa, Fernando, Jess?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're in profit right now.
You're in profit, right? Anissa, are you
Yeah.
in profit? Anissa, are you in profito?
yeah, I'm in profit.
Nice.
Now it's starting to drop.
Yeah, it took a while. That's normally it starts dropping pretty quickly. Yeah, now it's going through. Yeah, this is what should have happened a minute ago. It's crazy. And in pocket option, I can't roll over, so I couldn't do it. It's the pros and cons of these brokers. These broker accounts. Yep, we are deep in profits now, guys. Deep. Yep, now it's going down some more. Perfect. Oh my God, yep. It's exactly what we said was going to happen. Yep. There we go. Did you guys clear? Put a money and sign in the chat if you cleared. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! It's going down.
We cleared it.
Yeah. Vanessa, you cleared?
My time is 4:30, 4:30.9, 30.9.
So yes or no?
Yes, I guess.
Oh, okay. It's like it's either yes or no. Look, you made money, you just put money signs in the chat, and there you go. Oh, I have somebody. That's funny. I don't know if you guys know, but this is live on YouTube as well. See? So there's somebody else that's going and like they're clearing trades too. That's not on Zoom with us. Look at that. He cleared Ford and Zip heading to sleep. Jaylene. Damn, they did really good. They had a 4-zip trading session. How'd you guys do so far? I think you were 2-1, so now you're 3-1, right, Fernando?
Yeah.
You're 3-1. That's not bad.
Well, actually 4-1 because I added an extra one at the very end.
Oh, okay.
When I
Nice.
cleared it, it was a minute trade. I was like, oh yeah, I did it.
4-1. How about you, Anissa?
3-1.
And Jesse, I think she stopped too. Vanessa, how did you do overall? The number normally here, I can see closed. What's this $50 one? EuroCAD. Oh, I took the other one on the pocket option, huh? Yeah. So I got 1, 2. I think I did 2 in 1. How did I do 2 in 1? 2, no, 3. 3 in 1 as well. Should we look for one more? One more for good luck. Wow, look at the USD JPY. It just went through, went through, went through. I don't know why it's going in as a put. No, never mind. The strength on the top doesn't make sense. That's why it's going down. Okay. This one looks like it's going to be a good call. Euro JPY. Let's see. The only thing is the strength on the meter. 394. 3, it's 403 right now. 394. If this thing goes down to closer to 394, it would be a good call. Yeah, because it's at the bottom, bottom, bottom. So 394. Yeah, I might a little bit lower. 397. Yeah, it's kind of spiky though. I don't know. I personally like to jump in on spikes. I don't know about you guys. I like to, that's when I use my trigger finger and boom, you get in, you know? This one's Euro JP, huh? Euro JP. There we go. The only thing is it's going.
I took 1 minute and I cleared.
You got in and you made money?
Yeah, at 397 for 1 minute call.
You got Ernest. She's a risk taker. You're a risk taker, Ernest. Yeah, it's been going up, so it did. Yep, looks like it's going up. Euro JPY. So that was good that you got in, actually. I like to do sometimes a little bit more analysis, but you saw and you got in. Hey, it's actually going 404. Yeah. Okay. EuroCAD. This one's close, but but no cigar. Ooh, look at this one. Oversold, 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 and we're getting a call on USD CHF. UCHF, this one. We're getting a call at 218. Let's see. A call at, wait. Yeah, 218. That doesn't make any sense. USD CHF. Not even on here. There's this one, which is weird. $225. Oh, here we go. 218. This might be a good one, guys. Look at this. Call oversold, oversold, oversold. And it says to get in at 218. And it's 225. It's not too far off. Let's see. The only thing is it's not moving that much. If it goes down to that, although this was 3 minutes ago. Let's see what the next alert. But it's literally at the bottom of the green line, see? It's hovering. USD CHF. And it's still at 225. Does anybody else's broker say anything different than 225?
It looks like it got stuck there at 225.
Yeah, because it says 218. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's weird because it was moving and now it's not moving. Literally. It's stuck, you're right. Let me refresh it. Yeah, it's not it's not even loading. Oh, there we go. Ah, now it's moving. Now it's 233. Damn, we should have gotten on a call, huh? Did you guys get in? Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, it shot up. Big time. Did you guys get in by chance? Look at that. Holy crap, it shot up. Look at this. It literally went. This is where we saw it. Boom, 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 boom. And bought. This was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-point trade. Oops. But it went up so high that now we're gonna put it 236. 236. I don't know if it's worth getting on a put on this one. Yeah, I like the for sure things that actually went through the top line. Man, that was a good one. So you guys didn't get in? That would have been a great one. An amazing one. Oh man, look at US. Oh, this is gonna be a good call, guys. Look at this. Oversold, oversold. So
Rejecting,
is USD CAD. Huh?
it's rejecting my call on USD CHF.
I can't what? What'd you say?
It's rejecting my call on USD CHF.
You're speaking Chinese to me. I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. Okay, so USD CAD. Look, it's way down there, guys. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. So USD CAD, United States dollar to Canadian. It says 515. Is that what that is? It's 507 right now. 517. What? Did it go up already? 507. 517. That's kind of weird.
Who's trading right now? That it's because brokers are going crazy. There's someone trading. It gotta be that because it's like it's it just freezes out of nowhere and it just stays in line. I'm like, something is going on.
Look, this one might be a good call. Look how far down it is. It's being oversold. So this one might be a good call in a bit. Let me see. Yeah, look, it was a good call. Oh man. Yeah, this was a really good call. I don't know why. I think Hourglass is just kind of slower. I pulled up the candlesticks and these two, the stochastic and the Keltner, and it's a little bit more upfront. It was rejected. Anissa? Oh, okay. Man, I guess this is frozen. Because this thing, it's literally going up. I'm trying to find like one more good one for you guys. USD CAD, NZD. Euro USD is not a good one. Let's see, Euro JPY. Oh, this one jumped up. Oh, look at that. It's jumping up. Now it's going in for a put up. But it's not a for sure thing. And we've already been trading for time flies. All right in the middle. Nope. This one looks like it's going down. It's almost hitting the greens. So USD CAD. I think that's the one we're looking at, huh? Yeah. Oh shoot, it's back down. Ooh, we have another chance. Yep. It just hit the bottom lines. Look at that. So this one's going to be a great call. Once it starts turning. I'm going to go in for a call 509, 500. I'm going to go in for a call right now. 500. Oh, it's going to 498. Damn, it's really going low. And it's being way oversold. So it might be good for another call. But, yep, another call. All right, that's it. So I got in at 500 and 493. That's pretty low. So I'll go back to this. Look at that. I'm already in the profit with one of them. But see, I got it way down here. Did you guys get in at all? Look, it's already coming up to the next profit too. Again, it went through the bottom, so it's a 1.34 point trade. One of them, and then it should be in profit on the next one soon. Oh man, there we go. Yeah, I'm in profit with both now. It's spiking up. Did you guys get in?
Yeah,
Woo! Look at that.
let's go.
How sexy that is. Oh man, it's so sexy. As long as it stays up there. Good. But yep, it's spiking up still. This was a good trade, huh? Ooh. Cleared 168. Boom. Let's go. Am I right, guys? Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Okay.
Let's go. Clear.
Did you guys clear?
Cleared it.
Cleared.
Yeah, now I'm for like 4-1, 5-1, something like that. Very cool. All right, now I think we should call it a night. It was getting a little weird on some of these other trades. It was going like pretty slow. But yeah, this one was a perfect one. Now I think you guys are starting to see really how to use hourglass a lot better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because when I first saw him trade and he was like, it has to go through this line, and I was like, but there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Like, what are you what are you talking about? You know? And you can't really say which line. Like, what do you mean? There's red lines everywhere. There's green lines everywhere. It didn't make sense at first. I don't know about you guys, but now that I know how to do it, basically, I added this other. This one is called stochastic. So if it goes through the stochastic one, these are the normal Bollinger Bands. So once it goes through here, the green line, green for call, obviously, call. Red, so once it goes down, put. So that's it. So hopefully you guys got some value. So how often should I do these team trading sessions? What do you guys think?
Sundays.
Yeah.
Just once a week, Sundays?
Or Fridays too.
Well, Fridays it's closed at this time.
Oh yeah, never mind.
I mean, we can keep it to just Sundays, but maybe slowly we can add more days, because you know, at least for me, I mean, I'm going to be trading anyway, but I really need to get my account up, you know, just at least to turn them over so I can actually access the money. You know, I have to trade literally, you know, 3 times. Hey, Luis got 4-1. Nice. Like I said, look, we are live. So there's a guy, Luis Rivera. He went 4-1. He's asking, do we do this daily? No, Luis. Right now, this is the first one. Hey, there's actually 6 people watching live. It's pretty crazy, huh? Speaker view. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'll keep it consistent. Probably Sunday nights for now. But oh, and this is Luis's first time trading. Wow. Good job, Luis. I don't know if he used pocket option or what he used, but Alyssa 11 too. Damn, how many times were you trading, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Jeez. I think she just kept doing 1 minute and just kept getting on, like as soon as she saw what was going on with Hourglass. Man, that's funny. Damn, 11 too on the same session. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, like I think Sundays, and then we'll start adding days, because I know Diego is doing them in the mornings, so he does them at 7 a.m. My time, Pacific Standard Time, and then his time, I think it's like 9 or something, 9 a.m. So his in the morning. So I figured if I have mine's at night and it's outside of my schedule when I do real estate insurance and things, that way I can still do it. So what do you guys think? So we'll start Sundays, but I think nights we'll add little by little. Maybe after Matty Pipps sessions would be cool, right?
It was a good. Yeah.
I think it's
Whatever.
good. I think it's pretty cool, because that way I would like to join you. So you're already with us. Yeah, so people to like join Matty Pipps, see how it's done. Normally he trades and puts up 10,000, but I guess he started from scratch, so then people can't see that, which kind of sucks, honestly. I'd rather he trade on his bigger account, you know. But anyway, he'll educate Cash Trap, do all that stuff. Then we'll do our team trading after. That'd be cool. So I'll slowly add days, but you helped me make a big bag today. Nissa, you're funny. Hey, by the way, what were how much were you guys trading? Because I was just doing $50 trades. Fernando, Jesse, like what are your trades right now? I'm just curious.
I was doing $2 and $3 trades.
Yeah, I
You're
was
just
doing
doing tiny ones?
$5.
Huh? You guys don't trust me? Just kidding. Yeah, we're on here to make money, guys. So full at least 1%. Trade the full 1%. Now that you guys see, it's not, you know, even though I'm only 2 months old, I'm like, when I do something, I do a lot of research. I do a lot of practicing by myself. I wouldn't be able. This is the way I see it. I have the responsibility of helping you guys make money. So the responsibility is on me. You guys know that, right? So it's like a big deal, right? So, you know, I mean, you could keep trading dollars and $5, but I want to make sure you guys are making money. So, I mean, to have 11-2, Anissa, that is pretty cool. And then Luis out there, he did a 4-1, and it's his first time. He says he did $2, but did good. That's good. So Luis did $2, so $1, $2. I was doing 50s, as you can tell. So 4-1, $30 profit, so 369. So I made $90. 90, yeah, 90 about. Anissa did 50s and 100s. Damn.
Shit.
Anissa's a baller from India. Unless you forgot to put the dot. 5 cents. Just kidding. All right, guys. Well, here it is 9:56, so it's about bedtime. So I'm gonna call it a night. I hope you guys like the session. I'll let you guys know when, we'll have it next Sunday again. But if you guys want to have it beforehand and you're like, Ernest, I liked it, let's make some money. Put on the Discord or write to me and I'll add another day. Okay. Either way, I'm trading myself, but I don't mind like adding sessions and stuff. Okay. All right. I think I'm talking to myself. Have a good night. Take care.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Good night.
No problem. Good night.